Hello, welcome to Collective Love Reading. This is for collectives. Wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading. Kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi ka makarelate, makaresonate, huwag natin ipilit. Okay lang yan. May mga next readings pa tayo. So again, this is for collectives. Let's start your reading. Kunin muna natin yung energy mo, no? By the way, sorry about the card. Kung medyo mahirap siyang i-shuffle, pagpasensyahan mo na lang kasi medyo luma na po ito. Pero this is one of my favorite. Okay. So, yeah. Anyway. Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Temperance. This is your energy. I feel like for some of you, maybe you are a professional person or someone na nasa mataas na rango. Maybe a CEO, manager, or if not, maybe you do have your own business. Or kung hindi man, maybe you are nagtatrabaho sa government. I can see an army, lawyer, doctor, someone na professional talaga. No? The Queen of Cups is showing here. There's a lot of love coming from you, pero medyo nakakita din tayo ng immaturity. May mga bagay kasi na pinipilit ka na parang hindi mo naman kaya, pero pipilitin mo pa rin. So, that is like, medyo yun yung nagiging problema sa'yo. Immature ka sa part na yun kasi hindi mo siya kayang i-handle pero pinipilit mo i-handle. Temperance is here, another King of Wands. So yeah, maybe nasa mataas ka talagang position. I can see that for some of you with the Temperance, you're a very patient person, no? Mahaba ang pasensya mo. Irritable. Mabilis mairita. Pero mahaba ang pasensya. Paano yun? Anyway, maybe it means pagdating sa tao, mahaba ang pasensya mo. Pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa may kinalaman sa pera, katrabaho, empleyado, parang ganyan. Or mga nahahandle mo if you are, of course, yung iba sa inyo, if you're a teacher, lalo na, nakakita rin tayo ng energy niyan with the King of Swords. Mahaba talaga pasensya mo. Pero mairritable ka. Who is this person that you're dealing with for our collective? Sinong kakonect ni collectives? Spirit guides, angel guides, sino itong kakonect ni collectives? Person na kakonect ni collectives, spirit guides, angel guides. Okay. I will not take this. It's too many. Ito na lang, Knight of Pentacles. Tell me more. Four of Pentacles is here. Nine of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Okay, so for collectives, nakakita ko ng person dito na alam mo yun, yung parang ayaw niya magparamdam or ayaw niya makipag-connect pero gusto niyang ikaw yung lumapit. But, you know, nakaantabay ka lang. Maybe this person wants you. Or maybe kung ano man yung boundaries sa inyong dalawa nito person na to, gusto niyang ikaw yung gumawa ng paraan na matanggal yon. For some of you with the Four of Pentacles, this person is well-grounded, you know, parang focus niya is money, 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 money. Knight of Pentacles is here, so maraming kayang i-offer itong person na to. Maybe for now, kung ano man yung mga kaya niyang i-offer sa iba niya yon, ipinapakita or sinasabi. I feel like this person is a playboy or a playgirl kind of energy. Yung parang magpapakita siya ng something sa someone, pero hindi niya yon seseryosohin. Parang, I just want to show you this kind of attraction na kuno-kuno. Pero pag naumay na ako, nasawa na ako, yoko na. Ganun. Honestly, etong person na ito, kaya siya ganun. This person wants you, pero hindi siya sigurado kung may chance ba siya sa'yo. Especially if ang boundaries is the Two of Cups, maybe another relationship. Takot siya dun. Takot siya. The Seven of Wands is here. Takot siya dito sa Two of Cups. So, kung may relationship and na-involve, which is possible na nasa side mo yon because siya yung nakikipag-connect pa sa kung kasi kani-kanino. So, yun. Ano mga nasa isipan mo at emotions mo for this person? Nasa isipan mo at emotions mo para dito sa aking dito sa iyong person. Eight of Wands. Okay. Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. I feel like for some of you, ang nasa isip mo at emotions mo for your person is that wala kang pakialam. Dito sa nakakonect mo na ito, you're not even, you know, focusing on this person anymore kasi mas may mga bago kang pinagfo-focusan ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi lang isa, dalawa, yung mga new beginnings na pinagfo-focusan mo ngayon na pwedeng may kinalaman sa pera with the King of Pentacles. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, maybe something ended or ine-end mo na yung connection mo with the Three of Swords, which is maybe this past person, the third party, the person na parang, you know, maybe naging minsan nang naging problema. Kung may karelasyon ka nga ngayon, pwedeng isa siya sa naging problema ng relationship ninyo. But then, enough is enough. Like, this third person is gone now, and now, you're focusing dito sa new beginnings mo na may kinalaman sa pera. And not only one, but maybe two. Ayun, yun yung nasa isip mo ngayon. The Eight of Wands, I feel like this is your, wow. Ito ay energy ng, ng mga nakakakita ko ng mga successful persons of buhay mo, family, relatives. Nakikita nila malapit ka na. Parang, malapit ka na sa amin. You know, yung success na nakuha nila is that you are already there. You are already near. Kasi maybe before, sobrang baba ng tingin sa'yo, or maybe ang baba mo in the past. Childhood days mo, hindi maganda. Teenage years mo, hindi maganda. And then, ngayon, medyo malapit ka ng ma-level or makapantay sa kanila. And the way I see this is that they are already smiling kasi nakikita din nila yon, yung mga ginagawa mo na para patunayan yung sarili mo. No? And hindi man sila yung dahilan, but you are growing because sa sarili mo din. Ikaw na rin yan, no? You love new beginnings. You really do know how to handle these things pagdating sa new beginnings. You're quite immature pa rin sa pakuha ko dito na energy because immature in a way na kaya mong makisalamuha sa mga mas bata sa'yo, or maybe pag ang kausap mo is someone na parang happy-go-lucky kind of person, teenager kind of person, kaya mong sabayan yung energy niya. So, maybe that kind of energy. For your person, ano nasa isip at emotions mo, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, for our collectives, nasa isip at emotions ng ating person. Yan. So, yeah, yung iba sa inyo, kung sinabing walwal din talaga, yun yung ibig ko sabihin dito, ha? Immature in a way nga na pagdating sa friendship, marunong ka pa rin makibagay o makisalamuha. I don't see anything wrong sa bagay na yun. Yeah, this person is really sad with the 5 of Cups. Sobrang lungkot niya, guys. Sobrang lungkot niya. The 5 of Cups, this is a very sad energy. Okay. Both of you are the same, focusing on new beginnings na may kinalaman sa money. Ace of Pentacles, yan. The Wheel of Fortune, so yung person na ito is trying to focus kung paano babaguhin yung buhay niya, yung sitwasyon niya, because maybe technically yung person na ito is not okay financially. Hindi siya okay. Or, yeah, I can see a lot of advice ng mga tao sa paligid niya, lalo na ng Queen of Pentacles. Maybe these are friends na already stable or family na parang okay na yung kalagayan nila, and they are advising your person, this person, na maybe tapusin kung ano man yung mga meron siyang ngayon, and then mag-focus na lang sa bago, or yeah, pwede may kinalaman nyo sa work, tapusin mo na yan, lumipat ka na lang ng ibang work, or if that's a business, tapusin mo na yan, magbago ka ng negosyo or what. So, marami ako naririnig na advice dito sa side ng person mo, so hindi siya okay ngayon. Technically, your person is having a lot of problems financially. So, yun ang focus niya. So, isa pa yun sa kinakalungkot niya. Pero pagdating sa connection ninyo, isa pa yun sa malungkot kasi tuyot ang energy. So, maraming nasayang, maraming nawala, maraming love na parang, I want this kind of love. I want the love that you can offer me. Yung parang ganun. Parang gusto ko yung love na kaya mong ibigay sa akin or i-offer sa akin. Why are you not offering me that? Bakit mo binibigay sa akin? Ba't di mo ina-offer? Parang ganun. Why are you not doing something regarding sa connection natin? Parang ganun. Yung person mo nasasaktan siya kasi wala kang ginagawa sa connection ninyo. And hindi mo naman kasi siya, wala kang naman kasi talagang pakialam. So, siya nasasaktan siya. What will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for collectives, please. In the near future for collectives, please. One more shuffle. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. So, ano yung near future reading for our collectives? 7 of Cups is here. 7 of Cups, the Justice card. The 10 of Wands, the 5 of Wands. I really do like that. Alam mo yung energy niya. Ang natutuwa ako, some of your cards are supposed to be iba yung meaning, pero yung energy na nakuha ko ay iba. So, I am reading the energies rather than sa pinaka-meaning ng card because nag-iba yung iba eh. Iba talaga eh. Pwedeng, for some of you, kahit may mga pangit na hindi nangyayari sa buhay mo, nakikita mo ito as an opportunity to grow. Maybe you feel like hindi para sa'yo yung bagay na yon, kaya nawala, kaya nag-end, kung bakit kinuha sa'yo or hindi naging okay para sa'yo. You see that as a, not as a challenge, not as a problem, but rather, karapat dapat lang na mangyari, no? For you, na mas makuha mo yung mga dapat para sa'yo. For example, this one, no? The 5 of Wands. Ito na yon, no? And, ito yung mga sticks dito. Diba? It is like, yung mga pangyayari sa buhay mo na bumagsak. Hindi nag-work out. Mga tao na nawala sa buhay mo. Pero, instead of focusing na nandun ka na lang, na, nasa baba, nag-i-struggle, kumbaga, gumawa ka pa rin ng paraan na parang ginawa mo itong stepping stone para mas ma-reach itong nasa taas. And this is you. And malapit ka na doon sa taas. This kind of energy, you are the one who creates change sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, ikaw na ang gumagawa ng paraan para mas magbago lalo ang sitwasyon mo, ang buhay mo. Mas pinipili mo yung mga tamang piliin na decision dito. And the 10 of Wands, you can handle everything na kayang-kaya mo, no? Nakikita natin yan pa with the 10 of... This is also actually not a good card, pero nakuha ko sa'yo, it's the energy of like, walang kahirap-hirap eh. Mas nakikita natin sa'yo na parang kayang-kaya mo. Parang naririnig ko pa nga yung kanta ng yung parang, I've got the eye of the tiger, fighter. Diba, ganun? And this is the card that is showing. You are a fighter. And in the near future, no? Dahil dyan sa klase ng pag-uugali mo na yan, nakikita natin na ikaw ito na maiaangat mo yung sarili mo. With regards to third person kind of energy, I can see you being loyal. With the Justice card, nandyan yung loyalty mo. Pikit mata ka na lang dito sa past. You don't care about the past anymore. Yun lang yun. And, ayun nga. For your person, Tower is here. So, yeah, definitely may ending sa connection ninyo. And in the future, it's total ending na talaga with the Knight of Swords and the King of Wands. Clarify the Knight of Swords and the King of Wands. Because, lumalayo ka na eh. You are the Chariot. You are walking away, leaving the person in the past. Para sa mga priorities mo with the Two of Pentacles. No? Hindi open ang heart mo, hindi open ang buhay mo para sa past person. Ito with the Four of Swords. No? And, alam mo yun eh. Ramdam mo yun eh, na yung person mo hindi okay with the Nine of Swords in the future. Maybe makikita mo yun or malalaman mo yun or pwedeng mararamdaman mo lang. And etong person na ito with the Eight of Swords, tatanggapin niya na lang kung ano yung fate or nangyari sa connection ninyo. So, I can see total ending here. Wala na siyang ibang mapupuntahan. Wala na siyang ibang... this person still wants you na tulungan mo siya. But, alam naman niya, parang tanggap na lang rin niya na parang, alam ko naman hindi ka pupunta or hindi ka makakipag-connect na sa akin, pero I still want you. Nandun pa rin yung paghahangad ng person na ito. Pero nandun na yung tatanggapin niya na lang. Six of Wands is here. So, this is like an energy of moving forward na lang. But still waiting. Moving forward sa buhay niya. Kasi wala naman siyang choice. Kundi mag-self-love, mahal na sarili niya, 'di ba? Yung iba nga, kasi nga, may mga nag-a-advise na rin sa kanya with the Queen of Wands na utang na loob. Kung gusto mo pa rin ng reconciliation, tama na, i-end mo na. Okay? Mag-focus ka na lang sa new beginnings. So, yun yung mga advice sa kanya ng mga taong to with the Queen of Cups. Maybe these people na nagmamahal sa kanya. And in the future, you will be the star and your person will be the Nine of Swords. Ano yung sabihin nun? You will be reaching your dreams at yung person mo medyo mas mahihirapan na siyang maabot ka with the Nine of Swords. Mas lalong hindi mawawala, matatanggal kung ano man yung harang sa connection ninyong dalawa. So, there's a total ending here. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.